Hello, my name is Brandon Lamoncha from Humtown Products, and I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to accept this award from the National Association of Manufacturers. Humtown Products has been making tooling and sand cores and molds for the foundry industry for over 50 years. But in 2014, we had a very unique opportunity to get into the 3D printing space for our clients. Humtown had the opportunity to partner with different universities and machine manufacturers of this additive manufacturing equipment. Under this project call, we were partnered up and we were able to utilize and understand the ability that this great technology had to offer. As a result, Humtown Products was able to receive their first piece of additive manufacturing equipment. Within 1.5 years, it rapidly exploded into needing over 5 pieces of equipment, and I'm currently standing in our facility that's over 100,000 square feet of additive manufacturing space. This technology has enabled Humtown to operate on an international level, something that we never would have thought possible 50 years ago when my grandfather started the company. As we all know, Humtown is not unique to manufacturers that have overcome adversity. We've come through 2008 and 2009 when we had over 220 employees, and we drastically shot down to less than 10. We understand that overcoming adversity is part of the manufacturer's lifeblood, and we understand that innovation is always a part of this. At Humtown, we never stop innovating. We're also looking at going into different disciplines of additive manufacturing. Binder jetting is just one facet, but we believe that utilizing direct metal printing and coming up with end-use parts is part of the future at Humtown. To all the other manufacturers out there, we would like to tell you, as a small family-owned business, we've had to overcome a lot of adversity to get where we are. And we know that by always innovating and looking for opportunities, you can do the same. Look, whether it's additive manufacturing or other technologies, never stop searching for what can make your business thrive. On behalf of myself, my father, and all of our team at Humtown Products, we graciously accept this award from the National Association of Manufacturers, and we will never stop innovating and continuing to strive to be a better company.